Groms. We're super tired, but we are up and about to go pick up my dad.
Hello, gentlemen. Good morning. What are we doing today?
All right, Dad, come on in.
Hey.
Welcome.
Hey.
Welcome.
Hey. Dress for the cold, just in case, because it's windy.
Right now, we're pretty much just getting skunked. The swell just kind of is gone. All right, guys, first two spots pretty brutal, but we're headed to a wave that could be like super fun on like the fish.
Hopefully one of these waves is working right now.
Or else it's gonna be a sad breakfast. It is a classic September day right now. The air is 59 degrees. The water is probably like upper 60s, maybe 70 if we're lucky. And yeah, we're pumped. We wanna get out there and just surf. We're not really good waves, but it's super clean. I'm gonna take out the fish and we're gonna go rip it up. Session was surfing on the 6.0 Nature Shapes, 3.5 inches thick. This is like the thickest rail I've ever ridden, but yeah, it's pretty sick. Definitely needed the board for the day. Probably needed a longboard too, but we'll take it. Fun sesh, and we're gonna longboard eventually, but I think we need to get some food in us and we're on to the next spot. That ended up being pretty fun. We're just doing our thing. I gotta work for like 12 days in a row after this, so we gotta get it while we can.
I know, Barrett's is just so funny.
We just finished up another session with my uncle, my cousins, Dan and Allie came through and chilled on the beach for a little bit. It was pretty sick. I am super tired. We got one more day of surfing, so stay tuned and we're stoked. I actually haven't spent any nights on the boat this summer, so I'm meeting up with my dad and Allie and gonna have dinner, some chicken soup and some salsa. All right, young Groms, we just made it to the end of an epic day. We're on the boat with my dad. We're super stoked. We are eating some peppers with salsa and everything but the bagel seasoning. So we're so stoked. We're so grateful to be out here. and I always sleep so well on the boat. Like the cold air, like just like going over the top of the boat, and then the warm air in here, and just knowing you're out like in the middle of the water and like no one can get to you is like awesome. So we're gonna go to bed right now, and as always, we will see you on the next swell.